Okay, so today we will see how to install Kali Linux in virtualBox. So first of all, let's download virtualBox from this virtualBox website. Go to downloads, and since I'm using Windows, so this Windows hosts option, and download it in some folder. So it's downloading now. Now, after it is downloaded, we have to install this, and we have to download Kali Linux as well. So let's start the installation of virtualBox. So okay, so now open the installer, next, and yes. Now, so the installation is started. So meanwhile, while it is installing, let's download Kali Linux for VirtualBox version, right? So go to Google and search for Kali Linux and get Kali. There are options, but we have to go with virtual machines. So in virtual machines, you'll get two options: VMware and VirtualBox. So we have to download VirtualBox. You get two options as well for 32 and 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit version. So I'm downloading 64-bit VirtualBox Kali Linux on my desktop. And let's create a folder, open and save. Okay, so it is downloading. Let's see the status of VirtualBox, if it has installed. Okay, the installation will take like 3 to 4 minutes. So I already had one, so did it. So I'll pause the video for some time so that it can download, and once it is downloaded, I'll be back. Okay, so it is downloaded now, and I have enrolled to unzip this. This is a 7-zip file, so I'll just unzip it over in the same folder, and after unzipping, we will get two files for VirtualBox. Okay, so one of the file is VirtualBox opener, you can say. You directly have to click on it, and in the VirtualBox, the Kali Linux will run and will start. So it is unzipping at this moment. Okay. Now in this folder, you see there are two files: VirtualBox machine definition and virtual disk image. So what we have to use is VirtualBox machine definition. If you right click on over here, there's no option for that. You won't see any application. Now let's click on VirtualBox machine definition and see. There's a direct option to open with the VirtualBox. Just click on it and open it. Okay, start the virtual machine, and that's a notification box over here at the right side. It's just, now you can make modifications in the system, storage, and other settings. As of now, I am not making any changes. This is the disk file. I'm not making any changes, and will proceed as it is. Sure. Okay, so it's installing, not installing, but it is booting up. It is already VirtualBox file, so it's already an installed folder or installed file. So it is just opening up. It's just a booting process and creating few of the folders and the necessary files which are required for VirtualBox. So it will just boot up and it will directly start. You don't have to perform the full installation. when you are using installer for VirtualBox or VMware. So you just double click on it, open it with any of the platform, VMware or VirtualBox. So in this video, we will only see about VirtualBox and make another video for VMware as well. So it has booted up, and now let's see. Okay, so the default ID and default password for this machine is Kali and Kali. You don't have to use any other password. You do not have right for making any changes over there. You can, however, create new user once you have logged in. So now this is a full screen for Kali machine, and this is the start button. You can see all the tools are pre-installed over here. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.